Good evening, everyone. We have now concluded 5 whole weeks of classes. In an 8-week course, this is the equivalent of 5/8 of the course or 2 months and a half of the classes in a regular semester. After this week, we have 2 more weeks left in the course. Such is the nature of the fast-paced 8-week course. Hope you have a good Cinco de Mayo weekend. We go in for week 6. Here are some items for you to be aware for this week. Please look at the calendar found at the end of the syllabus and as presented above. Here's where you'll see the topics being covered this week. 1 new chapter and 2 new assignments. Please pay particular attention to the due dates for the various activities and assignments and exams. You can also find reminders of when assignments are due on the calendar or Blackboard. Here's a summary of what is coming out due this week. Map quiz number 3. Europe, Russian Federation, Central Asia is available Monday, May 6th, due Saturday, May 11th by 11:59 p.m. Reflection number 3 is available on Wednesday, May 8th, and is due Sunday, May 12th by 11:59 p.m. I'll be checking your geography news number 3 and special topics number 3 tomorrow morning as I move the news discussion deadline after tonight. I'll be grading those as soon as possible. I'm still grading your reflection number 2, and we'll have that graded in the next couple of days. And for sure before the next reflection is due. Please remember to log in into the course or at least once a day so I can see that you are active in the class. Logging into the course is how I take attendance in an online course, and it tells me whether you are active in the class or not. Have a great rest of the week, and we'll see you online.